Beautiful building, eh? Do you know what this is? You don't. Well, you see, this here is the Common Prison of Quebec, which was built in 1808 under the British regime. It was meant to transform all the small places, small houses of detention scattered all around Quebec City into one big place of rehabilitation. Rehabilitation means, it was a place where you send criminals and then you re-educate them so that when they get out of jail, they aren't criminals anymore. Uh, how could I say? Never worked. No. Well, you see here, the problem is you found equal numbers of men, women, and children. And how old do you think the children had to be in order to be incarcerated here in the prison? Nope, you're wrong. Children as young as 7 years old could be sent to jail, and even younger if the court was able to prove that they were wise and experienced enough to understand the true nature and consequences of their acts. That's a lot of words, in fact, to say that if the authorities want you in jail, this is pretty much where you're going. And as I said, it was meant to be a place of rehabilitation, but it didn't work because you put younger criminals here in the prison with, close proximity with more experienced criminals that would teach them all the latest criminal techniques. So then they would, do their sentences, reintegrate society with all the techniques that they had learned, only to commit even more serious offenses and get back to jail, where they would spread knowledge, and it goes on and on. And it was not a prison for a long time for this particular reason. Well, from 1813 to 1868. But still, serious moment here. No less than 16 public hangings occurred right here, just above my head here. Yeah. 16 public hangings, and among them, there was one whose name was François Lafage. However, everyone here knew him as the Indian Doctor. We would call him that name because of the black robes that he would wear, much like the American Indians back in our days, and of miraculous cures that he would sell but never really worked. In any case, Place Royale is a long way from here, so let's get going. Huh? Okay.